Just look at this gorgeous 2010 Ford Mustang steering wheel that we've just finished reupholstering and doing a little bit of a custom reupholstery job on it for this customer. What we've done is we removed all the old leather, which was very torn, as you can see from the before pictures, and cleaned the steering wheel up real well. And then we went in and made a new cover with the perforated leather on the top, and that is a Lamborghini perforated leather, and then the Ferrari black leather on the bottom two sides. And then we stitched it up with the same factory baseball stitch that was on it. Now this wheel looks absolutely amazing. And you know, as I always say, that the steering wheel is the most viewed and touched part of any vehicle. If your steering wheel looks and feels old, you're going to feel like your vehicle is old, and everybody who gets in your vehicle is going to look at it and go, your vehicle is old. But once your steering wheel looks brand new like this one, everybody's going to feel like, and you're going to feel like, your vehicle is new and in great condition. So that's the place to start. Give us a call at Craft Customs at 214-564-1170 or reach out to us on the web at craftcustoms.com.